What's up, everybody? This is Big Sky Crypto, and I thought I'd just jump on and do a quick market update. It's been a while since I've done one. Hope everybody's doing great. For those in the US, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have a really good day. And let's take a look at BTC here first. It's topped out about 8,300. It pushed over a little bit and then pulled back, and it's been consolidating there a little bit. As you can see by my chart here, I wouldn't be surprised if it maybe pulled back and tested the this zone I have here around 7,500. That wouldn't surprise me, before pushing higher. It's got this resistance area up here now at 8,300, so may take a couple times before it finally does break through. So that's kind of what I see on BTC for the short term, at least. Ethereum, there's been a pretty big movement in ETH. I had plotted out the daily chart here, and you can see there's it formed a symmetrical triangle. And you can see here where it's now broken out from that. I didn't know whether it would do it this soon. I thought it might continue to consolidate and bounce back and forth before finally breaking out, but it actually broke out with a lot of power. It's up. It actually exceeded the all-time high. You can see here it actually got up over $428, so new all-time high on Ethereum. From here, it may pull back some here and maybe even come down and retest 400 again before moving higher, but pretty strong breakout. I'm looking, this thing may at least get up here. I've got a target of up over 600, 650 to 690 possibly. So that's kind of where I'm looking for it to go, maybe over the next month or maybe 2 months. May take it that long to get up there, but it's kind of where I'm looking at it, heading. So looking really good on Ethereum. I picked some up down when it was like around 350, 360 in that area. I'm kind of wishing I would have maybe bought a little bit more now, but if it pulls back some here, I may get a little bit more. This is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and you can see here where it's really since June it's been falling compared to Bitcoin, just because Bitcoin's been so strong. And it got down in this area here, down in the 0.04 area, and picked up some support there. You can see way back here in April, end of March, April, May, it was in that area before taking off. So that gave it some support, and you can see it definitely bounced off the support here, and kind of looking at it to recover somewhat in relationship to Bitcoin. I think it's it's coming up into a zone of resistance here. There's a couple of them here which it'll need to break through, but I don't know, my view is that it probably is going to make up some ground compared to Bitcoin, either by Ethereum moving higher or possibly Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. But that's kind of my view. I see it, recovering somewhat. Litecoin, I've got the daily chart here, and you can see I've created a channel here, which it seems like it's been trading in for quite some time. It broke out of the channel for a little bit here before returning, and it's been kind of bouncing back and forth in the channel. I created this chart actually a couple days ago, I believe, and I was thinking it could maybe bounce in the channel for a while before breaking out, but today you can see it's actually broken out above the upper trend line. So I guess it depends. I'll have to watch and see if it closes above this upper trend line. It's possible it could continue going higher out of the channel, or it could, you know, fall back in and like I have drawn out here, continue to bounce back and forth, which is kind of nice. Especially if you wanted to trade Litecoin, you could actually just watch this channel and make some buys when it's near the bottom and sell it at the top. I mean, in the past year there was quite a few real good opportunities where you could have done that and profited. So Litecoin's looking real strong though, so we'll just have to see where it goes from here. And looking at the overall market, looking at over 255 billion total market capitalization of all the cryptocurrencies. So that's moved up quite a bit. And Bitcoin's dominance has fallen back some. It's down at 53%. It was over 60% for quite a while. So looks like some of the other coins and tokens are making up some ground on Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash is doing real well. I have a chart on that one. I guess I could pull up Bitcoin Cash and take a look at it. I actually bought some. I had a little bit I was hanging on to, and then I bought some more not too long ago. Probably, I think it was last week. I picked up another small amount, so I'm slowly accumulating some Bitcoin Cash, but it's looking pretty strong here. It had a really huge move. You can see back here, especially on the 12th, it kind of went crazy and then pulled way back and got kind of a tweezer bottom here near the $850 level, and since then it's been moving higher. Today it's making a pretty big move. I've actually got this buy area here. I was thinking if it cleared this like $1,550 area, I might get some more, which I'm watching it. It pushed above it and then pulled back, so I may add a little bit more here again. I know there's a lot of people that don't like Bitcoin Cash. I don't have an opinion either way, really. I'm just looking at ways I can make some profit. So it's looking strong, so I may continue to build my position and just hold on to it, because long term, who knows where it could go. Could collapse and fall back where it was, way down here, you know, 500-600, or it could continue moving higher. So I figure it's, you know, worthwhile to hold some. You never know, could turn out to be a real good trade. So that's basically all I've got on the markets. Like I said, I just wanted to come on and do kind of a market update, give you my view. It's been a while since I've done it. So, and as a disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just kind of my views on what I see and what I'm doing. So I wouldn't take it as an investment advice at all. So everybody's responsible for making their own decisions. So I guess that's all I got. So again, everybody in the U.S. that is watching or watches the video, hope you have a great Thanksgiving, and everybody else, hope you have a great day, and until the next video, take care, and we'll see you later.